What's the meaning of body clock? Body clock. Body clock.
Body clock. Body clock. The term body clock refers to the natural internal mechanism that regulates various bodily functions such as sleep-wake cycles, body temperature, hormone levels, and metabolism. It is also known as the circadian rhythm and runs on a roughly 24-hour cycle. Disruptions to this rhythm, such as jet lag or shift work, can cause health problems and affect overall well-being. Research has also shown that the body clock plays a role in a range of diseases, including obesity, diabetes, and cancer. Therefore, maintaining a healthy body clock is essential for good health.